Hello guys, and welcome to our first video of our Python project series. If you do enjoy this video, be sure to like and subscribe. If you want to just know the final code, here's what we're going to create. You can go ahead and pause the video and copy down the code. If you would like me to explain it, continue on in the video. In this video, we're not going to be explaining how to do something, but we're just going to be going through it and explaining as we go. We're just going to be assuming that you know how to do everything we're going to do. So let's get into it. So first we're going to make a variable. We're going to call it password creator. And we're going to equal this to open. And we're going to assume that you made a txt file for this. If you don't know how to do that, you can just go to notes and then create one there. So we're going to link it to password.txt, which is the one I made. We're going to name a variable called password, and we're going to call it input. Please type in your password. And then we're going to do print your wish is my command. So we're going to write to the txt file now. We're going to do password underscore creator dot write string password. So right now what we're doing is we're opening password creator. We're telling Python that we're going to write something into it. We are creating a variable called password. We are having the user input what they would like their password to be. We are printing your wish is my command. And we are writing to the password creator file, which we set to here. So write is going to overwrite everything we have in the file. So if we do already have a password, it's going to delete that password and write whatever you wrote in the please type in your password or in the password variable. So we're going to write it. We're going to turn whatever it is into a string, so that way we can actually write it. And then we're going to do password underscore creator dot close, so that way it actually writes to it. It doesn't give us an error. And then we're going to tell so next what we're going to do is, let's just always comment your code. It's very useful. If you're ever trying to apply for a job, you have to have good commented code. So we're going to name this password creator. Okay, so right now what we have is this. ABCD, your wish is my command, and we're just going to assume that I wrote to the file and made our password ABCD. So now we're going to tell the user what their password was. So we're going to call this password teller, and we're going to do password underscore creator dot open. And then we're going to do password dot txt comma r. So we're going to be reading this now. We're going to print your current password is this. Then we're going to add password to it, and password is defined here. And we're going to do password underscore creator dot read. So let's see what we have. ABC. So it has no attribute open. So what we're going to actually do is we're going to, sorry about this. It's just a quick bug, and we need to know how to fix bugs. We're going to have this be password creator 2. We're going to have this read password creator 2 dot read. So now when we run this, it should do ABC. Your wish is my command, your current password is ABC. So we fixed our bug, and here's what our program did. So in the beginning, again, we opened the file and we said we're going to write to it. We had the user input their password in the variable called password, which was always be sure to write your variable names correctly and very descriptively. We printed your wish is my command to tell the user that we did update your password. We wrote to password creator or the txt file, and then we wrote what the user inputted. and then we close that file. And then we created a password teller, which opens, we create a new variable called password creator2, open password.txt, so the same password same file that we just wrote to. We said that we're going to read to it. And then we printed your current password is plus password, which is the same thing as we put here. And then we read password creator2.read, and that is reading what is in the file. So, ABC. Your current password is ABC. So, we can even delete this, ABC, and your current password is ABC. Okay, so, and we can double check this also by checking our password.txt file. Open, okay, and we can see that it did write ABC. Alright, if you did enjoy this tutorial, please be sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you for sticking to the entire video, and enjoy.